Hello, today in Slap Happy Science we're testing to see which candy produces the most gas mixed with Coke to blow up a balloon. You will need Skittles, bottle caps, nerds, balloons, funnel. You'll need some measuring spoons, scissors, if you have like packs of this and that. You need Coke. You'll probably need you probably need like 2 packs of Coke. It doesn't really matter. First, we're doing bottle caps. You'll need 1 tablespoon of them. You'll squeeze them into the balloon. Next, you open your bottle and you'll put like the balloon to the side. Flip it and measure how long the balloon will get, or how big the balloon will get. That was only 2. So, you're gonna have to test it 2 more times. Pretty much all about the same size. They're all about like 7 inches around there. Next, we're gonna do Skittles. So, now you're gonna repeat the steps with the Skittles. You're gonna put all the Skittles into the balloon. A whole tablespoon. Now that you have all your balloons filled up with your Skittles, you'll have 3 of them, right? You'll open the bottle. Well, this balloon really doesn't want to go on. Oh, there we go. And you'll pour them in just like you did with the bottle caps. Whoa, it's getting big. So you repeat 2 more times until you have 3 of them. So all of mine got 6 inches. The bottle caps got 7 inches, so they got bigger, I think. Last but not least, we're going to test nerds. So you're going to repeat this step to put the balloon. This time you're going to use a funnel. You're going to put the balloon on the funnel. And you have to do this slowly so they don't clog it. Looks like this one. As you can see, these ones got pretty big. So the nerds, I think, were the biggest. Thank you for watching Slap Happy Science. Bye!